Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder, and it's as you can see, Millennium Falcon time. This is the last stage that I will do under music because I've done this stage. This is the last stage I've done already on the Altaia Millennium Falcon, and I'm now fully on the De Agostini Fanhome Millennium Falcon from our Dutch site. So it's easier to get it through that site than getting it from France, waiting for it to go to my French address and then moving it on. So let's do this one, and maybe I will do the rest of them under music anyway, but you'll see this under a bit of music and a little bit quicker than normal, or a little bit more. And hope you do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and check out my channel because and you see in the background behind my shoulder quite a lot, and right here we have a lot as well for this one at least. And we're doing a lot of the frame, and we're also making a lot of the lower part, or a jig to put the Millennium Falcon on, so it's easier to, and it's not breaking anything because it's bowed in. We can neatly put that on that jig. So let's get straight into it and start this beautiful build. for this pack, as I said, we've got the whole jig here. So we've got this whole jig. As you can see, it's hardly in the full camera. But this is where we are at the moment. We've made the passenger compartment. I did put those two together. Those two need to be screwed. I don't know if they should be put together. And I pushed that on, which stays in pretty neatly. But that is it for this time. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on. And join me next time on any of my builds. Maybe this one, maybe any of those in the back, right there. I've got a pack for it. I don't know if you can hardly see it, can you? You can see it on one of the cameras, which is the that one there. The Optimus Prime build, I've got another pack in for the area right above the torso that we have there. We've got a spine and a little bit above that. So next time when pack 12 comes in, we'll be finishing this off, because what I have in is pack number 11. So thank you very much again. Hope to see you next time. Check out my channel. There's quite a few lovely builds in there, and I've made a playlist so you can watch them one by one. See you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.